hood clip on this side, and now I've also got my oil catch can right here that's also in the way just a little bit. But if you just continue just to work it out like that, as you can see, it's now out. And the new one is so much lighter than this. It's really pretty darn amazing, candidly. Okay, so as you can see, that's all out. Looks great. We're going to transfer these center plugs to the new one. We're going to transfer the center brace to the new one, but this is going to be fantastic. I can't wait to get the new one in. All right, so transferring these little brackets, I mean, they're almost like hard plastic grommets, kind of, sort of. They've got fingers on the bottom. So what I found easily enough is I just got a grip on and you turn them counterclockwise to get them out, and then turn them clockwise to go back in. And they really are just pressure fit into place. This bracket here, or this little stand here in the middle, just has a little T-bar on the sideways. So if you turn it sideways, it'll come straight out, and we'll put it right back in once we get this into place. So now you can just fit this down into place where it should be. Just tip it in just like that. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your hood clamp brackets and just fit them up and over just like that. And I'm probably going to put those on first. Now, the other thing I'm going to do is as I put all these pieces into place, I'm going to, at least in the beginning, put everything in just a little bit loose, right? Just snug, so I can shift and adjust this around as need be to make sure that all the holes line up, that my hood stops right here that go down into the radiator, because these are actually those long T's that go down to your radiator here on both sides. So I'm going to make sure all of that's in line before I really start tightening it down.